Hey, it's Dr. Denke at Select Spine and Sports Medicine, your chiropractor in Friendswood. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you understand that chiropractic is not as scary as it seems, especially not what you see in movies. It has proven to be a safe alternative to prescription medications and surgery for both neck pain and back pain. We treat other conditions as well, like headaches, shoulder issues, and hip issues, and sports injuries, especially myself, a certified chiropractic sports practitioner. So please don't be scared of chiropractic. It's a very safe and effective treatment for musculoskeletal injuries. If you like this video, hopefully you've already liked it. But if not, go ahead and do that now and then follow us so you see all the future videos we have coming for you.